Welcome to Chibi Fire Alarm Test 10. For the pole station is one I haven't used in this series yet, at least, is my Honeywell rebranded Edwards manual release pole station 278A-REL, or should I say XLS278A-REL. I got my system sensor SpectrAlert Classic P2475RLZ, the second generation model, with the xenon strobe, and pretty much the same features as you would with the normal SpectrAlert Classic. That's a normal traditional North American SpectrAlert Classic. So I'm going to key and switch activate it. So here we go. Anyways, this will give it a little quick pull just for fun. It's reset. So anyways, thank you for watching.